so-called walk. My early morning walk has been interrupted a bit. I should have checked the weather report before I embarked on this particular trip because of, you know what, I'm thinking the weather is so bad that maybe I will go visit the court, which is right here. I'm assuming I can just go in. Is that correct? Well, it doesn't kind of look that way.
Because I can't tell directions. Like,
I mean, isn't that interesting?
well, you know when the
It's very interesting. Where do you suppose that goes? Oh, okay. So this is Sun Chapel House, one of these medieval churches, very sort of famous and not famous. Can a church be famous? No, it's a a well regarded, renowned church in the French capital. I don't know that it's famous, right? People are famous. Can a building be famous? I guess it could be, right? All right, so we're at the Palais de Justice. Pourquoi? Parce que it's raining and I wanted to be indoors from the rain, and I thought, I was in the neighborhood dealing with some other issues, and I thought, why not, So, yeah, let's just go up. This is Cour de Cassation, whatever that means. It might be is it the High Court? I don't know. Whatever it is. I love courtrooms and courts and just the environment, It's very sort of strangely familiar. But I don't necessarily enjoy, this sort of, I don't know where the hell are all the words? What does it say? Cour de Cassation. C'est ici? C'est ici? C'est quoi? Do you think this is... Ah, it is! Oh, do you think we should go in? Oh my God, we can't. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, madame. Est-ce que c'est possible pour visiter le cours de cassation?
Non, ça se visite pas comme ça. Vous lisez le français ou l'anglais?
Anglais, c'est mieux. Mais français, je peux un petit peu.
Vous donnez les deux comme ça.
Merci.
Mais ça ne...
C'est juste pour assister parce que je suis une avocate américaine de New York.
Le problème, c'est que vous voyez le panneau...
C'est juste interdit.
Personne ne... Oui, non. Je suis désolée, mais c'est...
Même avec une rendez-vous? Je peux prendre un
Il
rendez-vous?
faudrait faire à la première présidence de la Cour de cassation, mais je ne pense pas que ça soit possible.
Ok, ça va passer.
Le mail, s'il vous plaît. sec.pp Cour de cassation. Mais
Ok.
c'est très limité. Ça se fait pas.
Normalement, interdit. Ok.
Désolée.
Ok, pas de problème. Merci, madame. Bonne journée. Okay, I can't get into just look at a case. Oh man, I tell you, it has been an experience. is this guy here? I don't even know. Chambre de Crier. Chambre de Crier. Screaming room. No, I don't think it translates to screaming room, but crier is to scream. And chambre is room, so it's like a screaming room. Now, why would you need a screaming room in a cart? Or is that a loaded question? I don't think I would necessarily have been the best, courtroom person, just because I won't say it. I won't say it because I almost forgot I do have a case pending in New York, don't I? But, yeah, I mean, I think that, look at the architecture. Oh, geez, I love, j'adore. I need to have more sort of like the architectural details of this building. I mean, just look at this. Just, you don't understand. I think this was once a palace or something, wasn't it? It is the Palais de Justice. It is a palace, but wasn't there a time when somebody lived here? Some one of these people who thought they were just better than everybody else. The royals, as you should say. How do people in this day and age, I mean, with all due respect, how do people continue with this, honestly, this kind of thinking? How do they participate? How do they agree to things like this? I mean, I don't understand it. And it's not to say that, what is that? Oh, that's a child. It's not to say that I don't these are people waiting for a judge. They are not the lawyers. We're the power brokers. The kick ass. Let's kick some ass. You know what I'm saying? Till kingdom come. Listen to me, right? Like I'm such a badass. I'm not a badass. I'm definitely not a badass. I'm just like a little pussycat. Literally. It's a nice view from the window of the court, isn't it? La Chapelle. Hello. Up here. I wonder what's up here. Do you think I could go up here? Oh, let's see until someone says no. I love the floors. I do love these floors as a general rule. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is the Court of Appeals. Ah, okay. So, am I to understand that all of the I mean, well, actually, well, I'm not going to ask that question, just in case it's not a very intelligent question, but I'm a little bit confused, I'm not going to lie. How is this not a movie? How is this not a movie? How can I not create like a TV series in this building? Like, I come into a building like this, I immediately start thinking of scenarios and ideas and just, oh my God, I can't, like, help. My brain is exploding. Look at this place. You need to see a lawyer, and it's a woman, it's a girl, and she's just fucking badass, you know what I'm saying? And she's just like walking through these halls, and it's her job, you know what I'm saying? And it's like, oh my God, I hope they have a French show that has this, because this is a movie. This is like a TV series, like weekly, this badass girl, like, you know what I mean? And she has like a motorcycle, and she looks like Alice. I have a student named Alice, and she's like, how do I get out? She's a teenager, and she wants to have a motorcycle and a black leather motorcycle jacket. And how do I get out of this experience? Did I come in here? No, I don't think I did. So she wants to, the boots and stuff, and I'm like, okay, so that's like the character, but she's a lawyer, and she's like in her 20s, 30s, whatever, and she is just utterly badass. You know what I'm saying? Look at this green door against the black and white. It's so amazing. Just look at this place. I'm a little bit lost, however. I don't think I came. Oops, no. Down is this way. I'm just like so lost, and I'm being so hyper. It's so amazing. I love this building. I really just love this building. It's just like, oh my God. You know what I mean? It's, oh my God. Oh la la. Okay, and so this is out, and then I will be in the rain again in the Latin Quarter of Paris. And yeah, I don't know if I'll have any space left to film anything more, but if I do, we'll see. Huh?